Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at Vareva.com. Today I'm just going to make nice masala cookies. My favorite, the way I love it. Just take all-purpose flour. Easy recipe ever. To this, we're going to add cumin seed. You can also add ajwain. We're going to make this salty cookies. Chili flakes. Add some soap powder. Soap is a sweet herb. So it's got a nice flavor and it goes very well with salt cookies as well as sweet cookies. So soft powder, and we're going to add a little bit of garam masala powder. You know, this garam masala powder will give that really nice touch to these cookies. Especially, you know, if you are having a tea, chai along with these cookies will remind you of this awesome biryani because of this nice garam masala in these cookies. To this also I'm going to add some salt and little bit of baking powder or baking soda, not too much. In this I'm also going to add cashew nut. I'm going to crush this cashew nut till it is coarse. Add the coarse cashew nut to this. Now mix all of this. You all, if you have seen my recipes on cookies, whether it is sweet cookies or any cookies, the short crust is the method of incorporating fat into the cookies so the cookies literally melt in your mouth. Friends, I am not going to bake these cookies in the oven. I am going to deep fry and still these cookies will come out super delicious. I am going to add butter to this, and you know the short crust method, you have to mix with the flour till it is nice crumbly. Once you have this nice sandy texture, you are going to add water, not too much, add little by little and mix this, and you are going to make a nice stiff dough. You don't need to knead the dough much. Just knead it a little bit and then you will have a perfect dough. The dough is all ready. Look at it, it is nice stiff, but at the same time, you know, it is cracking on the edges. That is the nature of a short crust dough. We are going to knead it till it is nice and thin for the cookie. Keep rolling and then we will use a cutter and cut it into squares or rounds the way you want. The edges is going way out. Just bring it together like this and then roll again. And now we are going to cut it into roundels or whichever shape you want, and you will have this awesome perfect masala cookies. Just with the help of a fork or something, you can just remove. Do not add flour. You know, I always say when you are rolling puris also, do not use the flour because we have added fat into the flour. Make sure that it won't stick at the bottom and you have these nice cookies. You know, Hyderabadi cookies, we prefer them round for some reason. I think most of the cookies in the world are preferably round. Now this is all good. When the oil is just at the right temperature, it should not be too hot, it should not be too cold. Add to this and fry them till they are nice and golden in color. That's when you will have awesome, nice crispy cookies that will just melt in your mouth. Just fry them till they are nice and golden. We have done the short crust method. The oil will not be absorbed by these cookies. They will be nice butter cookies which will just literally melt in your mouth. These are awesome masala chai cookies. Look at them. They are really hot and nice, and the beauty is they literally melt in the mouth. Nobody can actually tell, oh, have these been fried or what is this? You can say baked. But for Hyderabadi, chai is a must. Cookie in a hand and a cup of tea or chai. And these cookies. Wow. You know, as I told you, this reminds us of our biryani. Now I have to make biryani and eat. Even if you don't eat biryani, this chai and cookies will give you as much satisfaction. Friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session. Keep cooking, keep saying Vareva, and last, my Hyderabadi style, dip the cookie in the tea.